guys, Sarah here with Easy Adaptive PE, your veteran adaptive PE teacher. Today we're going to talk about preparedness and setting up your non-integrated adaptive PE class almost like it's a play, okay? And we're going to talk about that. And I know that sounds like, what is she actually talking about? Trust me, we're going to get into it. Please like, subscribe, all the things, and I will continue to make videos and we can continue to share with each other. So what does that mean that you're going to prepare like it's a play? Okay, here's how I like to look at it. You need your equipment, right? So the stage, you're setting the stage for what it's going to look like. You need to have the right music, right? So we've talked about that before. We need to have music that's going to cue students. We need to have maybe some calming music. We need to have music that they're going to enjoy. So we need to have a set playlist. We have to have all the equipment set up. So we need to bring everything out into your gymnasium so it's ready to go. We can't be running back and forth into the equipment room. We cannot be doing this. We need everything to be ready to go. You can cover it with a blanket so that the audience cannot see it, right? So it's covered up, and maybe put a baby gate or something around it, but it needs to be out and ready to go. The stage has to be set for that first activity, whatever that might be. There needs to be visual cues up so everybody knows what's going on, so the audience knows what we're doing for that day. They need to have an idea of what it is that you want, or what those expectations are, and what they're going to be. What is the play going to be like today? What are we going to be doing? You've got to prepare the other actors. So that might be your co-teacher, that might be the paraprofessionals, giving them those expectations and that lesson plan ahead of time, but letting them know this is what we're going to be doing. Oh, I'm going to need you actually to teach that routine that we did the other day. Do you remember we did that with the basketballs? Can you do that again? Because I'm going to be over here setting up the stations. You need to be prepping them ahead of time, or maybe it's the peer buddies as well. Hey, this is what we're doing today. I think that the student you're going to be working with is going to need X, Y, and Z in order to be successful. So I need you to be able to be prepared and get that stuff out when it's time. So we're preparing the other actors. Your audience is the kids. So the students that are in that class that are coming in, whether they have unique needs or not, that's your audience. They're going to tell you whether or not you're losing them or they're engaged. So it's the same thing. Like if you're getting claps, if you're getting eyes on you, if you're getting people that are participating, the kids are working and they're doing their things, then you know that you're putting on a great performance, right? You got your jazz hands going, you got your big smile on, and it's going beautifully. So you want to think about it like that. Did I set everything up so that this could run as smoothly as possible? Did I do the lights, the camera, the action, the visuals, the equipment? I prepared the other actors, right? And then the audience knows when they come in exactly what it is they're going to be doing and looking at that day. I'd love to hear how you guys prepare. What is your number one thing? How do you think about your classes and how you prepare your paras and your peer buddies, and how do you keep it all together? How do you know what you're doing from day to day? I'd love to hear it. Please leave a comment below and we will talk soon. All right, bye-bye.